So in this exercise, Caroline, you're asked to determine an exponential function that fits this data. So an exponential function will be one where it is in the form y equals a times b to the x power. Now when you think about what we've done previously, a is always the initial amount. The initial amount is the value of y when x is 0. So we see in this table that when x is 0, y is equal to 9. So the initial amount, or a, is equal to 9. So we have the equation y equals a times b to the x, which we now know is 9 times b to the x. So now the next question is, what is the growth factor? The growth factor will be the value of b. So when we look at this table of information, we see that as x is increasing by 1, we see that y is multiplying by 3. So when x increases by 1, y multiplies by 3 every time. So that's why our growth factor is equal to 3. So in this particular exercise, our exponential function that represents this data would be equal to y equals a, which we now know is 9, the initial amount, times b, which we now know is 3 because it's multiplying by 3 for every increase of 1 in the x to the x power.